Hello, my name is Morgan Shepler, and this is What is My Take on User Experience. Here's the agenda. I will be going over the definition, diagrams, tools, skills, understandings, benefits, and who owns user experience, as well as the conclusion. My own personal definition of user experience is individual consumers' interaction and experience with a product, system, or service. Why do I say individual? Because our experience is personal, even if it's in a group setting. One person can experience something entirely different from their peers that are going through the same exact thing. Here's the first diagram. This is from Paul Mirocha. I really liked this diagram a lot because it showed what was going on between the spaces and how everything kind of comes together, making user experience. The business side can be stakeholders, the vision, or the goals. Technology can be how it functions, the objective, and the engineering behind the product. And then the design is the aesthetic of the product and how it's unique and the creativity put into the product. And he puts in might be awesome, but no one uses it. For between business and technology, technology and design might be beautiful, but not profitable. And then design and business, great, but not feasible, which I think shows it's a really good example of user experience and how everything comes together as a whole. The second Venn diagram is from Envision. One of the circles has psychology, another one has science, and the other one has art. And in the middle, of course, is user experience. And I will be using my own user experience of the app TikTok. The psychological aspect is how it makes me feel. I feel very calm on it. I really enjoy some of the funny videos, and it kind of ropes you in and makes you lose track of time. You could be like, I'm going to be on this app for 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes turns into 2 hours. The science behind the product is how it works. The app has a scrolling feature to it. It lets the user comment, share, and follow the creator of their choosing. If the consumer likes a certain amount of videos in the same kind of theme, the algorithm will push those themes. So if I like videos that are Star Wars based, I will be getting more videos about Star Wars. And then finally, the art, how it looks. It is designed as a scrolling feature, very much similar to Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and apps like those. It has a double tap feature for liking, making it easier to like and scroll past, but it also has within finger distance on the screen the ability to comment, share, and follow the user. It also has a feature where you slide to the left, you get to see the creator of the video, and then if you slide to the right, you see who you are following. TikTok has a way of drawing consumers in with these mindless videos, but it also creates a platform that helps small creators make a business or a career for themselves, which I think is super cool. Tools for user experience. First is user research. The Interaction Design Foundation website states user experience research is a systematic study of target users and their requirements to add realistic context and insights to design processes. This is basically finding out what users want and what they need and what they might not need. Second is optimization, making, creating, updating a product, service, or system to be as perfect as it can be for the customer. Third is prototyping, making a blueprint or a test dummy so that consumers can see, hold it, or use it. Lastly is documents. A document can be a physical document or Excel sheet or some sort of filing system to take feedback from consumers to reach the full optimization. Moving on, skills needed for user experience, basic human communication, being virtual with layouts and designs of the product, and then good old-fashioned communication explaining what went into the product, what the product's purpose is. Second is the ability to accept feedback. Feedback is very important to user experience because the users want to feel like they are being heard, and whether it's good or bad, it's important to take feedback and use it to your full potential. And then research is another tool. This is creating and understanding your audiences and being able to plan through and conducting and analyzing data that you get from your research. And also curiosity. This leads to asking insightful questions, engaging questions, and actively listening to people who will potentially use your product, service, or system. Then finally, the willingness to improve. You want to always keep on improving your products, and this will also help you improve in creating a team that can also make a great product. Moving on to understandings for user experience. Understanding is understanding the users, diving deeper into understanding who they are, what motivates them, what their behaviors are, and what their mentality is when using the product that you want to create. And then also understanding yourself as a creator and what you can improve on in yourself, and improving your teams and the product that you're trying to make with them. Moving on to benefits, helps you get the name out. More clicks equals more views on whatever platform that you're going to be using. Gets consumer loyalty. If consumers feel like they're being heard, they're going to be using it more. You won't have, by having user experience, you won't be wasting any valuable time or resources, and you have the potential to impact somebody's life with the product that you're using, which is super exciting. It also increases knowledge of the consumer and really diving into learning more about them, and then also the potential to broaden your horizons on technology. And then lastly, it drives business growth. The more customers talk about your product, the more people will visit your business, and the more your business will grow. Who owns user experience? I have to say everybody owns it, because everyone uses it in their own way, and it's very personal, and each experience is personal to that person who's experiencing it. In conclusion, user experience, like I said, is personal. As stated again previously, it is entirely personal, even if you're in a group. It's dynamic because it's all constantly changing and improving with the creators and listening to their users. And it is subjective. It's influenced by personal beliefs, feelings, and opinions. And here are my resources. Thank you.